Hi kids, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to learn properties of 3D shape. First, what is 3D shape? 3D means three-dimensional shapes. 3D means three-dimensional shape. What are the three dimensions? Length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. First, cube. Cube has 6 plane faces. Cube has 6 plane faces and 12 edges. 12 edges. 8 vertices. 8 vertices. All the 6 faces are equal. All the 6 faces are equal. So look at this picture. Cube has 6 faces. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Cube has 6 faces and 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 vertices and 12 edges. Look at this picture. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally 12 edges. Examples of cube: dice, building blocks, ice cube, Rubik cube. Next one, cuboid. A cuboid has same 6 plane faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite faces are equal. 6 plane faces. Look at this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Totally same like that 6 faces. Then 8 vertices. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally cuboid has 8 vertices and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 edges. Example of cuboid is matchbox, toothpaste box, eraser, note and brick. Third one, sphere. Sphere has only one curved surface. Sphere has one curved surface and no vertices and edges. Sphere has no vertices and edges. Look at this picture. Sphere has one curved surface and no vertices and edges. No vertices and edges. Example of sphere is ball, laddu and globe. Fourth one, cone. A cone has one plane face. Cone has one plane face and one curved surface and one vertex. One face, one curved surface, one vertexes. Look at this picture. One curved surface, one plane face, and this one is vertex, apex, vertex. Only one vertex. Example of cone is ice cream, birthday cap. Ice cream, birthday cap. And fifth one, cylinder. Cylinder has two plane faces and one curved surface. Cylinder has one curved surface. It has no edges and no vertices. Cylinder has two faces. Count 1, 2. Cylinder has two faces and one curved surface. This one is curved surface. And no vertices and edges. No vertices and edges. Example of cylinder is cylinder, chalk and pipe. Cylinder, chalk and pipe.
இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள்.